Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create various designs, including social media graphics, presentations, flyers, and more. While Canva is primarily a tool for creating designs, there are ways to use it to earn money. Here are a few ways to do so. Offer design services to clients. If you have design skills, you can use Canva to create designs for clients. You can advertise your services on social media or freelance platforms, and use Canva to create and deliver the designs. Sell designs on Canva. Canva offers a marketplace where users can sell their designs to other Canva users. If you create unique and high-quality designs, you can sell them on the Canva marketplace and earn a commission. Create and sell templates. You can use Canva to create templates for various design categories, such as social media graphics, presentations, and more. You can then sell these templates on your own website, on platforms such as Etsy, or on the Canva marketplace.